Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Wi-Fi name and password because Chromecast needs them to join your network. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI slot and attach the USB power cable. Use the wall adapter for stable power. Turn the TV to the matching HDMI input. Once you see the Chromecast welcome screen, make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi. This initial power and network alignment prevents connection failures later and speeds up the setup process. You now open the Google Home app and choose Add Then Setup Device to find the new Chromecast. This is how the app discovers hardware using Bluetooth. When you see the setup code on TV, match it in the app to confirm you control that device. Grant Bluetooth and location permissions so discovery and network selection work smoothly. Next, pick your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Finally, give the Chromecast a recognizable name so you can cast directly from apps and group it with other speakers if desired. You finish by allowing any firmware update the app recommends. Updates fix bugs and add features, so let the Chromecast reboot if needed. Then test casting from YouTube or a casting-enabled app to confirm audio and video play correctly, and adjust volume using your phone or TV remote. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast, your router, and your phone in that order. Make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi and that you entered the correct password. This reboot sequence resolves most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.